The Earth we live on is a beautiful place. We eat off the land, we breathe the air, we drink the water, but we also treat it like a trash can. Garbage and pollution is taking up larger and larger areas on the planet and disrupting natural ecosystems. Synthetic biology could help us reduce our impact on the environment and live in harmony with the Earth. In 2021, a team from Monterrey, Mexico, designed a solution to replace the highly pollutant extinguishing foams used in forest fires with a non-pollutant foam inspired by a local frog species. A team from Edinburgh in the United Kingdom worked on the extraction of valuable materials from polymers that are resistant to natural biodegradation by devising a physical and enzymatic treatment using enzyme-laden silica beads. In 2020, a team from Darmstadt in Germany developed a bacterial biofilm for wastewater treatment that contributes to the responsible and sustainable use of water. And a team from Paris designed photosynthetic microalgae that could efficiently degrade the pesticide atrazine, which is contaminating the Seine River. Technology and innovation can cause environmental pollution, but it can also be used to restore the environment. iGEM teams create projects that clean up the trash, clean the air, provide fresh drinking water, amend eroded lands, and enhance soil quality.